something interesting to show you. I'm on a commercial roof in Stratford, Connecticut. This roof has not been cleaned maybe for 5 years. And watch this. Plants, a whole garden with a pond on a roof. Now this was not intentionally done this way, but here's what's the interesting factor. This is at least 5 years like this. What happens is they made a patch in this area, and the patch you can see right there and there, and the patch was done with modified bitumen torch down membrane. This is a modified torch down membrane, and it was a low area and it collected water and the plants grow, and there's no leaks currently underneath this membrane. It's been like this for 5 years. So this is just a proof to you that any flat roof can hold water for a long time, and the water doesn't hurt the roof or the membrane. Amazing factor. So just wanted to share with you the amazing thing about plants growing on a roof, but it's the membrane that holds the water, and that's the amazing part, not the plants itself, because you can leave water. But people always say, oh, I have water sitting on my roof. Well, this has been 5 years and it's still okay. Just making sure that you understand water can sit on a roof if it's done right. Well, I'm the flat roof doctor. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. Blah blah blah.